In this video, I'll guide you through how to insert a header and footer in LibreOffice. Whether you're working on a school paper, a professional document, or just want to add a touch of organization to your files, headers and footers can be incredibly useful. They allow you to display page numbers, document titles, dates, and more, giving your document a polished and professional look. So let's dive in and see how you can easily add them in LibreOffice. First, start by opening the LibreOffice application on your computer. It's important to ensure you have the latest version installed for the best performance and features. Once LibreOffice is up and running, you'll want to open a writer document. This is the word processing component of LibreOffice, similar to Microsoft Word, and it's where you'll be able to add and customize your headers and footers. Now that you have your writer document open, turn your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Here you'll find a variety of options for editing and formatting your document. The option we want is labeled Insert, located towards the top left. Clicking on Insert will open a drop-down menu with several different options. In this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Header and Footer. When you hover over it, a submenu will appear giving you the choice to insert either a header, a footer, or both. Click on Header if you want to add information at the top of each page, or Footer if you prefer it at the bottom. You can also choose to add both if you need to include different types of information in different sections of the page. Once you've selected either header or footer, you'll notice a new editable area appears at the top or bottom of your page, respectively. Here, you can type any text you wish to include, such as a title, author name, date, or page numbers. LibreOffice also offers a variety of formatting options within these areas, allowing you to adjust the font, size, and style to match the rest of your document seamlessly. If you want to add page numbers, simply place your cursor in the header or footer area, then return to the Insert menu. From there, select Page Number. This will automatically insert the correct page number on each page, updating as you add more content to your document. Remember, you can always return to the header or footer area to make changes or add additional elements at any time. Experiment with different layouts and styles until you find the combination that best suits your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully added a header and footer to your LibreOffice document. This simple feature can greatly enhance the readability and professionalism of your work, making it more organized and easier to navigate. Feel free to explore more of LibreOffice's features to further customize your documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.